Imagine a city with no traffic jams, no power outages, no sudden crime spikes. A city that thinks, one that anticipates problems before they happen, and quietly optimizes life for everyone. This isn't sci-fi. This is AI as mayor. AI Explained X. Let's dive in. Let's run the simulation. An AI-run city collects real-time data from millions of sources. Traffic cameras, energy meters, weather sensors, emergency calls, and it uses that data to make decisions, instantly. Rush hour? The AI adjusts traffic lights across town in seconds, turning stop-and-go chaos into smooth green corridors. Power demand spiking? It reroutes energy from low-use areas before anyone even notices. No blackouts, just steady flow. Storm coming? It pre-deploys emergency crews, opens shelters and sends alerts tailored to each neighborhood. Right place, right time. In theory, this city runs smoother than any human-led one ever could. This isn't just speculation. In Tokyo, AI already predicts traffic congestion 30 minutes in advance, cutting jams by up to 24%. In Dubai, AI-powered patrol robots handle routine security, freeing officers for more complex tasks. In the US, cities from Pittsburgh to Austin are using AI to manage power grids and public safety, sparking real debate. And in Songdo, South Korea, a city built smart from the ground up, fiber optics connect every building. Sensors track air quality, waste levels, even office lighting. The AI doesn't govern, but it optimizes. And the results? Faster commutes, lower emissions, fewer accidents. So why not go all the way? Why not let AI run the whole city?
Not just data. We won't be ignored. Not just data.
Because here's the problem. An AI mayor might be efficient, but is it fair? Imagine the AI decides to cut funding to a struggling neighborhood. Not out of malice, but because the data shows a low economic return. Or it hikes taxes on night shift workers simply because their commutes create suboptimal traffic flow. Logically, it checks out. Humanly, it's cold. AI has no empathy, no memory of waiting for the bus in the rain. No childhood spent in that neighborhood. No sense of pride, history, or what it means to fight your way up. And what about bias? If the training data carries old injustices, like decades of over-policing in certain communities, the AI doesn't question it. It learns from it, then automates it. At scale, an AI doesn't hate, but it can still perpetuate injustice perfectly, efficiently, and without remorse. So maybe the answer isn't AI replacing leaders, but AI advising them. Think of it like a supercharged co-pilot. The AI analyzes millions of data points, runs simulations, and says, Option A cuts traffic by 40%. Option B is cheaper, but doubles pollution in low-income areas. Then the human leader steps in, weighs the numbers against ethics, against fairness, against gut instinct, and community trust. That's the balance we need. Because cities aren't just systems to optimize. They're made of people. People with dreams, with rights, with stories that can't be reduced to data. Voices that deserve to be heard, not just predicted, not just modeled, but listened to. AI can guide the way, but humans, we have to lead. So, would you want to live in an AI-run city? One where your commute is flawless, but your privacy's gone. Where emergencies are stopped before they start, but your neighborhood's soul gets lost in the data.
Oh wow! Are
Technology
those the
can make
nano
life smoother,
cookies?
Go ahead,
faster,
try one.
safer. But governance, that's about values, about trade-offs, about knowing when to bend the rule. because it's the right thing to do, about compassion. And right now, those are still uniquely human. So maybe the best future isn't man or machine, but man and machine working together. AI handles the data. Humans hold the compass. What do you think? Should AI ever govern a city? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. If you're fascinated by the future of AI and society, hit subscribe. Next time, we train an AI on my brain and let it speak for me. Until then, stay curious. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you're at all curious about the future of AI, then go on and hit subscribe and let's explore it, 1x at a time.